In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an employee in QuickBooks. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and what to enter so your new team member is set up cleanly and correctly. First, open QuickBooks and sign in to your account with a role that can manage team members. Once you're in, focus on the left-hand navigation panel. That's where we'll find everything we need. From there, look for the section labeled All Apps and click it. This brings up the area where QuickBooks groups tools that relate to managing your company and your team. Next, select Teams. This will take you to the hub where people-related settings and lists live. Inside Teams, click on Employees to view your current roster. This page is your starting point for adding a new person and reviewing the details of existing staff. Now look to the upper right corner of the Employees page and click Add an Employee. This opens a form where you'll enter the essential information for the new hire. Start with the first name. Be sure to use the legal first name as it appears on official documents to keep payroll and records consistent. Then enter the middle initial if your organization tracks it. While this field is often optional, including it can help prevent mix-ups when two employees have similar names. Next, add the last name, again using the legal last name. Accuracy here helps ensure tax forms, pay stubs, and reports line up with HR records. After that, enter the email address. Use the employee's primary work email if available. This address is important because QuickBooks can use it to send onboarding information and give the employee access to view their details depending on your settings. Double check for typos so invitations and notifications reach the right inbox. Now enter the hire date. Choose the exact start date agreed upon with HR or the hiring manager. This date matters for payroll eligibility, benefits timing, and reporting, so it's worth confirming before you proceed. If you're unsure, pause here and verify, then return to the form. Once all fields look correct, click Add Employee to save. QuickBooks will create the employee profile using the details you provided. From here, you can continue building out their record later with items like pay details, tax forms, and bank information, but for now you've completed the core setup. That's it. You went to QuickBooks, navigated through all apps to Teams, opened employees, clicked Add an Employee, and entered the first name, middle initial, last name, email address, and hire date before saving. Keep your entries accurate, and you'll have a smooth start to payroll and onboarding.